咧就係咧個名叫 Hong Kong Pathway Backlog Action Group 嘅，咁咧基本上咧都係咧一班素人啦、香港人啦，就係喺 TG Group 嗰度咧都發現之前 IRCC 2027年咧先至可能成功審批到香港人嘅申請，我哋都覺得個事態咧都希望引起到多啲人關注香港人嘅狀況啦，所以咧就咧舉辦咗今日呢一個集會活動嘅，咁我哋嘅目的咧都係藉着今次嘅機會啦，提升翻啦加拿大大眾咧留意翻咧在家香港人而家面對緊嘅困境嘅。Hello everyone, I'm Franny and this is the lead vocalist for the performance. She is KK. We are the MCs for today's event. A big thank you to the BGM Band for warming up our atmosphere and setting such a harmonious tone for this event. Of course, we want to thank everyone for supporting and attending today's Let Us Stay event. We are the Hong Kong people from the Hong Kong Pathway Backlog Action Group. This event is being held at the same time in 3 cities, Calgary, Vancouver and Toronto. The purpose of this event is simply to use this opportunity to raise awareness about the challenges Hong Kong residents are facing here in Canada.
冇錯啊！由於咧 PR backlog 啦，審批進度咧相比以往越嚟越慢，等候時間咧過長啦，好多行舊申請嘅 PR 申請人咧，手持 Open Work Permit 過期前咧都未得到審批嘅結果。咁咧，但係喺呢半年啊，大家咧陸續喺唔同嘅媒體或者 social media 又或者身邊嘅朋友嘅申請咧，都出現咗唔同嘅問題，我哋會見到，甚至咧喺要求申請人啊要有 PR 嘅 AIP 先批而遭到 IRCC 拒絕，導致咧大人要停工啦，小朋友要停學，全家咧冇咗醫療，甚至咧進入呢個進退兩難嘅情況。見到有越嚟越多嘅申請苦主啦，頓時咧令到好多在家香港人咧面對不必要嘅彷徨、無助同埋不安嘅。Due to the PR backlog, the approval process has been getting slower and the waiting time has been much more longer. Many applicants with open work permits who are waiting for their PR approval have yet to receive results before their permits expire. In the past six months, we have been more and more issues appear. Whether in the media, on social media, or through fans' applications, some have ever been told that they need a PR AIP approval in principle before their application can be approved. Only to say reversal from IRCC, this has caused many people to be forced to stop working, children to be pulled out of school, and families to lose access to healthcare, leaving them in situation of helplessness and uncertainty. More and more applications are facing this problem, leading many Hong Kong people in Canada to experience unnecessary confusion, helplessness, and anxiety.
今日咧集會嘅目的係希望受到影響嘅香港人發聲嘅，咁亦都期望啦本地嘅社會啦都明白我哋呢一班放棄一切香港嘅嘢啦，嚟到加拿大重新開始嘅香港人心聲。咁我哋都希望咧 IRCC 可以自動續期 Work Permit， 咁咧就等到咧等 PR 審批同埋工作嘅香港人咧唔使擔心，因為咧 Work Permit 過咗期咧而咧冇得喺加拿大做嘢同生活嘅身份啦。咁咧，所以我哋咧今日嘅 slogan 咧都係 Let Us Stay 嘅，咁咧就 Let Us 安心咁喺度等 PR 審批，就係我哋要爭取嘅嘢啦。The purpose of today's gathering is to give a voice to those affected Hong Kong residents and to hope that the local community and media will understand the feelings of all of us who have given up everything from Hong Kong to come to Canada and start over. We hope that the IRCC will automatically renew work permits so that Hong Kong people waiting for PR approval and work can continue their lives without any worries about their work permit expiring, which will cause them to lose their ability to work and live in Canada. Let us stay. Let us wait for our PR approval in place. This is what we are looking for.
arising from the backlog, we can seek appropriate assistance for those affected Hong Kong residents, also fight for the recent rights of Hong Kong people. Thanks to your support, the petition organized by March 25th again 5,000 signatures within 2 days, and by April 1st, over 10,000 people have signed. This proves that as long as we unite, we have the power to voice our opinions and can push IRCC to address the current issue.
咁咧我哋咧都有好多苦主嘅情況啦。咁咧喺今日咧有一個親身苦主分享之前啦，咁其實咧我哋咧都喺網上邊咧見到好多苦主嘅狀況嘅。咁第一位咧就係叫做 Phoebe 啦。咁咧就新時代電視台就報道關於阿 Phoebe 嘅狀況係點啦。咁咧佢咧就係咧工簽又冇批到喎，淨係得 maintained status。雖然合法工作，但係咁啱兩份 part time 冇咗。車牌咧又要每3個月咧去 ISBC 度 update 一次，因為其實佢係喺溫哥華嘅咁樣，又冇咗醫療保障啦，揾個 MP 但係又冇回覆，打電話去 IRCC 咧都話係 process 緊，要等，咁咧最後咧都係等咗7個月咧先至批到個 work permit 嘅。咁喺呢段時間啦，其實阿 Phoebe 都好擔心啦。咁因為佢都係嘅工作即係個 permit 嘅原因，令到佢冇嗰份都令到佢份工好迷茫啊。亦都有好多不必要嘅麻煩，又要去續車牌定係點樣啦。咁我相信好多人咧都會有面對過呢一個問題嘅。咁咧英文 version 就係咁啦嚇。As you see from the Hong Kong TV report, Phoebe's situation is that her work permit was not approved. She only had the maintained status, so although she could legally work, she had 2 part-time jobs. Both of them were lost. She also had to update her driver license every 3 months at ISBC and lose access to healthcare. She tried contacting her MP but received no response. When calling the IRCC, she was told to wait because her application was still being processed. At the end, it took 7 months before her work permit was finally approved.
咁除咗頭先嗰個 case 啦，我哋都咧知道另外一個問題就好似 case 2咁啊，呢一位匿名 X 女士啦，佢咧讀完書7個月啦 ，PGWP 咧都仲未有 ，MSP 咧就嚟到期啦，咁咧可能將會面對冇醫療啦。佢之前試過咧renew MSP， 但係 renew 唔到嘅，老公咧整親手斷骨咧都睇唔到醫生，車牌咧過咗2個月又就嚟到期啦。之前咧 renew 咗2次，但係今次咧就未有。PGWP 嘛，就唔知會唔會 renew 到啦。咁唔緊要，但係咧其實要有身份我哋要有俾身份我哋喺度等啦。咁又冇車牌又冇 MSP 咧，其實真係唔知點樣生活。但係咧稅又要照交，咁冇 official 嘅 PGWP 咧，其實都冇僱主會願意請啦。咁其實佢而家爸爸咧就 cancer 3期嘅，咁冇 PGWP 咧佢亦都唔敢出境。咁佢打去 IRCC 啦，申請超過180日，問 IRCC 可唔可以快啲批佢，等佢可以翻香港咧，就話佢淨係回覆得到 backlog 呢個問題咯。So, Lady Miss X, she completed her study even 7 months ago, but her PGWP post-graduation work permit hasn't been approved. Her MSP expired, and she might lose her health care. She tried renew her MSP but couldn't. Her husband broke his neck and couldn't see a doctor. Her driving license expired after 2 months, and although she had renewed it twice, he still didn't receive her PGWP. She doesn't know if it will be renewed. She says it's okay to wait, but they need some legit status to live here. Without a driver license or health care, how can they live here? Meanwhile, taxes are still being collected. She doesn't have an official PGWP, so no one will hire her. Now her father has stage 3 cancer, but without the PGWP, she is afraid to leave Canada. She called IRCC, but they just say she need to wait because the backlog.
咁咧第三個 case 咧，亦都係一個香港嘅申請人嚟嘅。咁咧佢申請OWP 嗰陣咧，都俾 IRCC 拒絕喎。咁其實原因係乜嘢咧？咁咧唔知大家知唔知一個叫 LMIA 啦，咁咧係另外一個移民計劃嚟嘅。咁咧其實原來係因為咧都係喺申請嘅過程入邊有啲混淆啊。佢 submit 咗之後咧，咁咧個解釋信咧就話咧佢要同香港 Stream B 一齊申請。咁照理由咧就唔需要 LMIA 啦，係咪？咁咧佢咧又揾過 MP 幫手 ，MP 咧就聯絡 IRCC 咧就話要重審，但係咧都講唔敢講一定成功喎。咁咧就唯有繼續等啦，再唔係咧就 restore 個 status 啦，或者要請律師啦。咁 so case B is another applicant. She applied for OWP, but IRCC rejected it, claiming that the application was incomplete because there was no LMIA. However, the applicant submitted an explanation letter with the application, stating that they were applying under Hong Kong Stream B, so LMIA was not required. They contacted their MP for help, and after confirming that the application form was correct, MP contacted IRCC to ask for re-evaluation. However, the MP said they could not guarantee success and advised continuing to wait. If there is no update, they might consider restoring the status or consulting a lawyer.
係咁，頭先咧都聽咗3個唔同嘅個案面對唔同嘅問題啦。咁其實咧，如果我哋而家有任何朋友都想分享佢哋嘅個案咧，其實都可以咧，而家歡迎你哋發言嘅。
係啦，咁有冇人都可能係申請 Hong Kong Pathway 啊，或者 PR 或者 OWP 都有啲問題㗎？你哋如果都想分享嘅，咁我哋都會俾大家一齊嚟分享，因為我哋都希望收集到大家一啲意見啦，咁咧就可以咧俾到更加多人知道，其實好多香港人都面對緊呢啲情況，唔係淨係我哋啱啱講嗰3個人嘅，我諗好多人都有面對類似嘅狀況嘅。都係未知嘅喎，咁受影響嘅申請人咧就好被動啦，又搞到冇得返工，又冇收入，慢慢燒錢啦，其實壓力都好大嘅，咁生活咧就不停倒退，根本都唔知 PR 幾時咧會批啦，咁咧亦都過唔到任何嘅生活喺度啦，又等3年4年，又等8年，其實都好驚。我諗大家睇到最新嘅新聞稿都好擔心，係咪真係要2027年先開始審批，定係已經審批晒？咁我諗大家係好驚㗎啦。So the 3 cases we have discussed, all the issues is about the work permit approval process. The main problem is the long approval times, which cause the permit to expire and results in periods of low status. Another issue is the incorrect refusal from the IRCC. They affect the applicants can only wait passively. They have low work, low income, and burning their monies and the savings. The pressure is unimaginable, and their lives are falling apart, with no idea when the PR can be approved. They are stuck waiting endlessly, whether there's maybe 3 years, 4 years, or even 8 years.
其實咧，我哋當然明白啦，申請處理咧係需要時間㗎。咁但係咧，我哋希望處理嘅時間更加透明、更加公平啊！如果咧 work permit 可以自動續期啦，避免咗唔少唔需要面對嘅問題㗎，令到香港居民咧可以安心咁樣等待批啦，你亦都可以繼續工作生活，唔需要咧煩 PR 批唔批嘅問題。希望咧加拿大政府同埋 IRCC 咧可以認真咁樣考慮呢個建議啦。We understanding that processing application takes time, but we hope that the approval process can become more transparent and fair for applicants. If work permits could be automatically renewed, many problems would be avoided. We hope that the Canadian government and the IRCC seriously consider this and allow Hong Kong residents to live with the peace of mind and wait for their PR approval in peace. Let us stay. 同埋我哋咧都有你哋嘅旗幟同埋你哋嘅一啲紙皮啦，我哋都可以一齊講啊！咁我哋嘅口號咧就係 Let us stay 嘅，咁我哋一齊嚟啦！好
大家咧舉起加拿大旗，咁我哋咧大會咧都會影一張相咁樣㗎嚇，咁啊我哋就一齊讀 slogan， 同埋咧一齊舉起旗、舉起牌，咁一齊讀啦。2、3 Let us see, let us see, let us see。OK， 咁啊多謝大家嚇，咁啊我哋睇下影相 O 唔 OK 先，都 OK 嘅。咁咧而家咧我哋繼續有請啦 BGM 樂隊啦，用一首歌去激勵大家嘅。咁咧香港人喺加拿大啦，都要繼續保持正面啦，同埋咧支持大家。咁咧我哋咧就會唱啦，假使世界原來不像你預期啦。咁啱啱咧佢哋開場嘅時候都有表演過嘅。咁啊大家咧都係可以一齊跟住唱啦。咁好似歌詞咁講啦，風雨不會永遠嘅，最終咧都會等到自己夢寐啦。咁我哋咧就一齊咧成功 PR 咧就要穩定落嚟嘅。Yeah, at this time, let's invite the BGM band to encourage everyone. Hong Kong people in Canada must stay optimistic and support each other. Just the lyrics say, the storm will not last forever. We will eventually wait for our dreams and our purpose. We will definitely get our PR and settle down in Canada.
日咧，我哋唔係淨係得網媒喺度做直播嘅，其實今日亦都有主流傳媒，有華文傳媒 Fairchild， 亦都有 CTV 嚟到呢一度去了解大家嘅情況。咁我會出嚟講嘢，唔係因為我想霸咪，係因為主持人今日嘅負責人都俾 CTV 捉住訪問，希望借今次Hong Kong Pathway Backlog Action Group 佢哋主辦嘅3城集會，能夠將你哋嘅聲音傳遞到俾更加多嘅主流傳媒社會知道。雖然大家都知道而家經歷緊大選期，咁可能無論國會議員啊，又或者移民部啊等等，對於你哋嘅訴求可能暫時唔能夠即時處理。我知道亦都我哋嘅收到好多你哋嘅聲音，關於你哋面對嘅困難。頭先張超雄喺多倫多度發言咗，一陣間有機會呢度都有機會播片嘅。我短短 recap 俾大家，呢位前立法局嘅前香港立法局嘅議員，佢亦都頭先喺發言度表達佢以政治庇護身份現時喺加拿大定居，同樣亦都申請緊永久居民，同大家同步呼吸、同步過冬，希望可以借助佢嘅政治力量、凝聚力量，又或者表達俾無論喺加拿大生活咗幾耐嘅香港人都理解到，有份同理心，俾大家知道大家而家經歷緊嘅困難係希望係短暫，亦都希望將個短暫期縮短。所以今日嘅訴求就係希望能夠盡快批到大家嘅 backlog 啦，盡快自動續簽你哋嘅工作簽證，能夠你哋可以根據張志雄嘅説法，你哋 uprooting 離開香港嚟到加拿大，然後可以喺加拿大度可以好好生活，重新建立。重新建立一啲都唔容易㗎，因為你可能3、4年前從來都冇諗過自己會喺一個漂洋過海嘅地方重新生活，無論語文系統，無論你嘅生活習慣，你嘅家庭教育，所有嘢都會有徹底嘅翻天巨變。嗰種好細微每樣嘅變化，可能會撼動到，令到你哋冇身份嘅時候，會更加質疑自己，究竟我嘅舉動有冇錯？我嚟呢度究竟可唔可以安居樂業？種種希望大家明白，呢個救生艇係一個過渡性質，係亦都好老實講，等於好多老移民話齋，佢哋以往嚟嘅時候都有經歷過唔同嘅艱苦，但係好唔同年代有唔同嘅困難。你哋呢一代面對緊嘅困難係可能係冇人能夠理解你，所以就要借助你哋嘅凝聚力，去將你哋嘅聲音，你哋收到呢個組織，佢哋收到過萬個簽名，希望呢1萬個簽名能夠可以遞到俾國會議員，俾唔同嘅政黨去了解、去關注大家。太慘嘅 case 唔講啦，因為其實我覺得呢一個 moment 大家唔係要鬥慘，大家係要更加諗辦法喺實務上邊點樣幫到自己。如果集會係一時，生活係一世嘅。大家如果喺生活上邊遇到身邊有唔同嘅香港人，有唔同嘅難度，無論在場，我知道有啲已經係上咗岸㗎啦，即係 so call 啦，即係叫做已經係有身份嘅加拿大人。又或者係大家都好辛苦，互相扶持啦，搞下 gathering 啦。唔好太過將過去10年香港政治氣氛濃縮變咗過嚟呢度。唔係話我哋融入唔可以有自己嘅聲音，而係成個政治環境氣氛完全不同。我哋有時會笑 IRCC 好慢啦，係咪？我哋會有笑啲 MP 唔做嘢啦，但係有時候調翻轉，大家香港人喺香港捱老5勞7傷，帶住小朋友或者自己係一個好年輕嘅專才過到嚟，希望呢度有一個較為舒適嘅環境。可能呢個平衡點大家要去拿捏。但係 IRCC 嘅行政失誤係絕對必然㗎啦，咁所以而家你會聽到無論頭先張超雄所代表嘅港加聯啦、Hong Kong Watch 啦，又或者坊間唔同嘅團體，包括今日嘅主辦團體啦，佢哋都會嘗試用唔同方法。可能你會感覺到個力量好散，但係你唔好嚟散得嚟，要聚嘅時候就好似我哋今日咁樣啦。我哋有幾百人喺卡加利，即係我頭先都講過啦。3城嚟講，最少人應該係卡加利。最少香港 Pathway 嘅係卡加利，但係亦都能夠聚集到咁多人嘅話，唔好忘記自己呢份力量。集會完之後，繼續生活，繼續 explore 下喺卡加利可以令到你有小確幸嘅空間。今日陽光明媚，天氣温暖，同我哋而家身處嘅環境可能有一個好大嘅反差，但係正正就係呢一個咁大嘅反差，可能令你會覺得，唉，如果10年後我真係加拿大人，我真係可以喺度生活，我望住我嘅下一代，又或者我自身嘅下半生嘅途程， 都能夠順利嘅話，望翻轉頭，今日嘅集會係好小事，正所謂乜仇都報晒，所以希望大家即係 as 一個 long run 去睇呢件事。而家面對嘅難題都係嗰句，無論你係有證定冇證，你係老移民定新移民，大家一聽到香港人有啲咩困難，有啲咩問題，哪怕係頭先講過車牌都冇埋，有冇機會carpool啊？生活上有困難，有冇機會可以點樣？譬如請佢食餐飯都好啊！即係如果有成萬人香港人喺度，哪怕我相信唔係成萬人都有問題嘅，可能好少部分會有問題。有部分嘅好話唔好聽，今日你去我屋企食餐飯，聽日去食餐飯，解咗燃眉之急。我哋以我個人嘅認知，我哋以前喺香港嘅時候，大多數因為生活壓迫，好多唔同嘅節奏上面嘅問題，令到我哋相對較為被逼要冷漠少少。但係我諗嚟到加拿大呢一片土地，雖然話而家經歷咗經濟環境不穩、政治政局不穩，但普遍 in general 嘅加拿大人其實都好幫到手，好 helpful， 甚至乎係嚟到加拿大嘅香港人，我認真，你哋咁多位我喺香港一個都唔識嘅，但係嚟到呢度之後，有啲可能短暫嘅傾談，有啲做咗深入嘅交流，有啲做咗跑友，大家都會攞到一個可能大家都喺同一條船上邊啊，大家有on the same page 嘅時候，大家可以多啲同理心去互相幫助嘅話，咁起碼呢個短暫嘅艱難能夠可以令到大家捱得過。所以譬如果大家今日出席集會嘅，我知道有啲朋友係可能比較交友圈子冇咁闊嘅，不妨借呢個機會識下朋友，大家了解下對方。有機會日後即加拿大又係真係好老實嗰句，識人好過識字。我知道今次 Hong Kong Pathway 無論 Stream A、Stream B 嚟得嘅好多都臥虎藏龍，又或者係年青幹勁有活力。其實呢度係有值得你哋探索同發展嘅空間嘅，只不過刻下呢一個環境，無論你哋嘅身份嘅證件，無論成個經濟環境，可能令到你哋會覺得有少少顛簸。希望大家能夠捱得過。亦都係啦，我講嘅係咁多啦。咁啊，大會應該上未㗎 ？OK，咁我交翻個俾主持人啦。
好，唔該晒大家，唔該晒 Cammy。我都知而家好曬啊，咁咧如果大家咧真係需要避一避咧，都可以唔同嘅地方，同埋我都知地下係濕嘅。咁唔該晒 Cammy。
唔識嘅繼續唔識啦。咁唔識嘅繼續唔識嘅情況底下，你哋唔知道對方嘅情況啊。咁啊，當然頭先分享好多個案，大家都好慘，但係頭先我都聽到有兩個好值得令人鼓舞嘅個案嘅，譬如係啱啱攞到 PR 啦。咁即係話其實IRCC 有清嘅，不過真係天氣不似預期啦，清得冇咁快。第二樣嘢就係我啱啱都有朋友咧攞到3年嘅工作簽證，即係話可以去到28年。咁當然佢申請唔係琴日申請今日有啦，佢都等咗一段時間嘅。咁我只係想分享俾大家聽，即係其實現場大家喺度靜坐坐緊嘅咁多位，你哋都有機會一步一步攞到你哋嘅身份。希望你哋呢兩個分享，希望可以令大家有少少鼓舞。係啦，老公啦，佢自己啦，咁亦都好話唔好聽，即係你當要冇身份，乜都要重新燒銀紙，又翻唔到工咧，財政壓力都好大嘅。咁但係其實當嗰一次佢見完 Tom Commish 啦 ，Tom Commish 都好幫大家，咁就問 Olivia 攞佢自己嘅關於移民申請嘅資料，咁啊嘗試聯絡 IRCC 嘅 agent， 咁跟住而家最新嘅回覆係點啊 Olivia？
係啦，其實好快3月8號完咗之後咧，阿 Tom 嘅助手喺1個禮拜內咧，其實都已經即刻聯絡我哋去問我哋攞晒啲資料啦，跟住再幫我哋就遞俾佢係遞俾副移民部嘅部長嘅，咁然之後其實都好快，幾日之後1個禮拜之後 ，IRCC 已經有反應俾我哋啦。係啦，咁IRCC 已經有反應俾我哋，咁其實 total 3月8號之後2個星期多啲，咁就已經處理咗我嘅 OWP 啦。係啦，咁但係真係處理咗我嗰個，我都真係好多謝阿 Tom 佢哋嘅幫手啦。咁係好開心嘅，即係已經叫做舒緩咗少少嘅壓力啦。因為始終 PR 嗰邊我哋都即係緊張嘅，因為我哋係24年1月入誌嘅。咁如果連我都未有 ready status 嘅時候，真係唔知個 PR 會唔會俾人 reject 埋。咁而家叫做舒緩咗一啲啦。咁但係剩低我屋企人嗰個 status 我哋都 即係要喺大選之後就要再繼續努力揾阿 Tom 幫手咯。
明白晒，即係雖然就未竟全功未能夠全家順利攞到個簽證，但係起碼就見完 Tom Commish 之後2個禮拜，頭先聽到佢講啦，已經好快聯絡，跟住批咗佢個人嘅，咁起碼可以舒緩到一部分嘅壓力。咁所以即係亦都希望借助 Olivia 嘅分享咧，希望同大家講，即係有時可能我哋喺現實世界聽到好多冷嘲熱諷啊，又或者可能好多即係唔夠鼓勵嘅説話啦。咁但係我都係嗰句，叫救命係一定要大聲。大家而家個身份上面嗰個未來嘅不穩定性係充滿危機。雖然做人有好多危機嘅，移民只係你其中一個嘅 action 一個動作，唔係代表你永久都可以好順暢。但係起碼知道喺呢邊，頭先我就係解釋點解同香港嘅政制可能會有少少唔同。呢度你真係會去聯絡。啱啱頭先都有幾位年青人，可能佢冇睇我嘅頻道，佢都問如果被 reject 點算？咁我都係同佢講，喺卡加里嘅咁多位國會議員當中呢，我相信 Tom Commish 對第一對移民政策會最熟悉，第二對 Hong Kong Pathway 嘅人最了解。如果你真係個人上有好嚴重嘅問題嘅話，我建議你去 Shepherd 區佢嘅議員辦事處揾佢嘅議員助理，將你嘅 UOI 你成個申請表去同佢去表達你面對緊嘅嚴峻問題係乜嘢，佢先至可以獨立處理到你。咁另外就係亦都要明白，雖然可能喺香港我哋曾經出過好多聲，或者曾經參與過好多嘅運動，都完全冇反應冇效用。但係未必代表喺加拿大度係咁，因為喺加拿大嘅移民政策嚟講咧，加拿大係一個多元共融嘅國家。而家 backlog 嘅數係咁多，你基本上你唔出聲，其他族裔都會出聲嘅。喺移民部嘅角度嚟講，就係邊個出聲大啲，又有理據，又斯斯文文、客客氣氣嘅，咁咪搞你咯，咁咪幫你咯。即係起碼喺 Olivia 個 case 入邊，就係有一個真實嘅角度話俾大家聽。係成功咗，幫佢續咗 OWP， 解決咗起碼最基本車牌啊、揾工作啊呢啲。我哋香港人，我哋成日講笑咁講啊，我哋香港人訴求就係要翻工。咁我冇工翻點生活先？咁呢個亦都係我哋嘅民族性。我哋嘅民族性落到嚟呢度，我哋都好想安享生活㗎嘛。咁所以要一步一步嚟。咁希望大家借住 Olivia 嘅分享，希望可以 comfort 到大家。俾啲掌聲啊 Olivia， 希望佢盡快可以全家攞到嘅 work permit。好，唔該晒，好，交翻俾主持。
咁咧，正如啱啱我哋都重複一次啦。咁其實我哋都係一個 Hong Kong Pathway Backlog 嘅 Action Group 啦。咁我哋之後嘅活動咧，其實係就住聯邦大選之後咧，其實我哋都會邀請一啲國會議員啦。咁咧其實會繼續舉辦一啲集會啊，表達我哋嘅訴求，同埋咧我哋咧都會咧簽一個petition 嘅一個國會咁樣嘅。咁我都希望咧即係在座咁多位啦，繼續支持啦，亦都邀請咧身邊嘅人咧一齊去簽聯署啦，同埋咧繼續參與之後嘅一啲活動嘅。Yeah, we are from the Hong Kong Backlog Action Group. After the federal election, we will invite the federal members of parliament to hold a rally to present our demands and sign a petition to the parliament. We encourage all of you to invite your friends and your family to participate as well.
咁啦，今日好開心可以聚集到香港人嚟到呢度啦。咁都聽到其實咧，只要我哋願意爭取，其實咧好多都仲有機會嘅，而且我哋咧係會 let us stay 嘅。咁今日我哋嘅大會差唔多完結㗎啦。咁我哋咧都會繼續有個靜坐啦，咁就會持續去到2點鐘嘅。咁大家咧可以隨便傾下，認識多啲人，互相支持。好似頭先 Cam 咁講，即係我哋咧要知道下即係大家會面對啲咩問題，我哋咧一齊解決佢嘅。咁咧，如果大家咧有關於 PR或者工簽申請遇到問題咧，可以請教有經驗嘅朋友啦。咁再次咧喺度多謝大家嘅出席，呼籲咧 IRCT 聽到大家嘅聲音。今次嘅集會咧只係開始，咁咧未來咧我哋係會有更多活動啦。頭先聽咗，咁咧都祝大家咧可以繼續發揮力量，成功攞翻 PR， 開始新嘅生活嘅。咁 Today's our event is almost end. We will now begin the site sit-in until 2 p.m. Feel free to check and get
to know each other and thus support each other. If you have any other issue with your PR or work permit applications, feel free to ask others with experience. Once again, thank you for coming today. We hope IRCC will hear our voices, and this gathering is just the first step. In the future, there are more activities. We hope to continue gathering everyone's strength to successfully get our PR and start our new life in Canada.
Thank you 大家係咁啊！大家都係繼續互相打下氣啊，同埋同身邊嘅人互相認識下。